I was just showing property with some clients right now in Mammoth Lakes, California, and I totally got stuck in the snow. I was trying to back into this house right on Forest Trail, really close to Canyon Lodge. The driveway kind of dips down, so when I backed in, I got high centered. I went ahead and opened up the house for my clients, and while they were seeing the house, I was shoveling out my car. Good thing I had my trusty shovel. After about 15 minutes, I was able to free my car. Now, I prefer not to show property when it's snowing out or when the snow is really heavy, but in this case, the snow really changed when I was closer to Mammoth Mountain Canyon Lodge. Here in town, it's really not that bad, but as soon as they're another few hundred feet up in elevation, the snow got really heavy and harder to maneuver. So getting stuck was totally my bad, and I was lucky to be with really cool clients. If you need a Mammoth agent that will go the extra mile for you, be sure to follow.